This is a very interesting setup that you see on the chart. Why is it interesting? First of all, two points. The dollar and the CAD are very closely correlated to each other. The dollar has been pushing higher, but if you look at the dollar CAD the day on Friday, this is a serious capitulation. It closed at the low of the day. It is a big range day. Therefore, I have to be very careful about actually selling the dollar and CAD. It closed at 101.65. I have a structural point at 101.60. So this makes our trade very easy. We will short the dollar CAD below the 101.60. That's it. It is the structural point. It should be our short point. And of course, it will be our short stop. That's one of the easy trades. It's right there in front of us. If it breaks below, it's 65. It's sitting at it. So it should have broken it on Friday. And that's why one of the reasons we have to be careful not to take it unless it trades below it. Okay? With regards to buying it, we don't have any buy signal on the daily charts. We have to go to the intraday to identify a possible buying point. As you can see from last week, this was our selling point. SS means short, and this was the trade. So you would have shorted it. This was what they did the last trade planning session. So you shorted it from here. You got a very nice move right there. So this selling point now becomes our buying point. So when it gets above those 3 lovely days, look at this. 1. This is when the chart talks to you. Got 1 daily high. It is also the daily low, 2 daily lows. Look at all of this. All of this congregating at the same place. So therefore, this is where you're going to buy it. Right there. That becomes your buying point above the 102.35. Your stop is going to be below. You're just going to give it a very tight stop. So you're going to put your stop. You're not going to give it too much room, about 20 pips. So our buying point is going to be above 102.35. We don't have any. I'm going to have to find the structure points. And my stop is going to be below 102.20. And my structural long point, I mean, believe it or not, the next structural long point is way up in the heavens. So I'll leave it right there at 105.23, which is the structural long point which we had from last week. Okay, so the dollar CAD, we're buying it above 102.35. If we do, our stop is only 15 pips away at 102.20. A structural long point is the 105.23, and we are only going to go short when it takes out the low of the day and the structural short point, which is the 101.60, and that's going to be our short entry, our structural short point, and our short stop. Okay, let me save that and